Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me and Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to rename the prompt, search the prompt on your search history of the prompt on your Google Gemini on your Android mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to rename the prompt on your Google Gemini. So after opening the Google Gemini, you have an option on the top, the three dots. Click here so you can access all the earlier prompt that you just searched as on the Google Gemini. So I just need to rename a particular prompt. For an example, I have printed the prompt here. So I just need to rename this. So you can just long press on it. You can find a rename option on the bottom. Click on rename option. Now you can just rename it by using your normal chat. For an example, I just going to rename it as tick and just click on the rename. So now you can see the prompt has been renamed. Is this the way that you can just rename the bigger size or a larger prompt into a short notes or short size word on your Google Gemini by using this particular option? I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.